Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to replace the First-Alert Smoke Alarm unit. So in this one, make sure the power is turned off from the main electrical panel before doing this. So once the power is off, then you can twist the unit and open it. And at the back, you will see that the wires are connected with the smoke with this adapter here. So to remove that, you will need a flat screwdriver, or you can use some pin and press it in and move this point. Once you do that, the adapter will come out. Now take the new unit and put this back. But if you're using a different brand smoke detector, then the whole unit and whole adapter has to be changed, plus the wiring here has to be done, which is recommended to be done by a certified electrician. And thanks for watching the video. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and follow for more. Thank you.